Okay, ready? High energy, high energy, high energy. Take 7. Here you go, ready? Put your head up. Hey guys, I'm Brandon.
And I'm Mike. We're the JunkHunks.
And today we've got a super fun, easy DIY project for you.
We're going to take these old lampshades and turn them into these witch hats.
You guys, this project's really easy. It's honestly foolproof. Start with an old lamp that you already have. Go to the thrift store. You could just buy the shade, I guess, if you want.
You're going to stack a smaller lampshade on top of a larger lampshade to help shape the cone.
If you don't have a smaller lampshade, it's okay. I'm going to do one without and show you another way of doing it.
Okay. I'll glue your little shade onto your big shade.
And if you don't have another lampshade, you're just going to take a piece of poster paper, whatever you have, and you're going to make a cone around the top and glue it on. And you guys, you don't have to worry if these aren't absolutely perfect. They're going to get covered up anyway, so they can have lots of like crinkles and wrinkles. So same thing, just get your hot glue gun out. And really all we're looking is to extend that lampshade up on top. After you've got the shape that you kind of like with your witch hat, now we're just going to cover it in fabric. This is also some place you can use some different options. I've cheated and actually went to the thrift store and bought little kids costumes, like witch costumes, and then all you have to do is like literally throw them over the top. And then if you didn't have enough fabric to cover up this center area, that's okay. Because when we set the top on, it's going to cover up most of that center. If you do still have some cardboard showing, that's an easy fix also. You can take more of your fabric or dollar store napkins and glue them on.
Getting faster. Okay.
Go.
So now the fun part.
Ooh, sign me up!
It's been a long day. We're gonna decorate.
Okay, guys. The next part is the superest funnest.
You're gonna decorate.
Okay. The next part is super fun. I know, but you gotta be more excited. Okay, finally we're to the end, to the fun part. You get to pull out all your leftover Halloween stuff and start to decorate.
Old boas, burlap, jute.
Mm-hmm.
It's got some like black net.
Alright. You're just gonna glue it on.
So the hat's officially done.
And that is how you make a DIY lampshade into a witch's hat.
sit on the lamp base. What's so funny? He's so mean to me.
DIY lampshade witch hat.
Okay, let's go.